Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to share with you this makeup tutorial which is inspired by Deepika Padukone's IIFA makeup look. I really love this makeup look because it's very chic and this can also become a very good festive makeup look. This look can also work for a special occasion that you are looking forward to. I have already applied foundation on my face and I'm going to define my eyebrows, and I've used L'Oreal Paris Brow Kit and I'm using the Colorbar Glitter Me All eyeshadow palette for this look. I love this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use those two shades from the eyeshadow palette and I'm going to create this look. First I'm going to slightly use a light wash of that purple color onto my eyelid and I'm going to blend it with my eyeshadow brush. I'm slowly going to pack that color onto my eyelid area so that the purple color becomes little bit more intense on my eyelid area, and I'm going to blend it all over the eyelid as well as the crease area. Next I'm also going to apply that purple eyeshadow with a pencil brush onto my lower lash line, and I'm also going to blend it using my eyeshadow brush. Next I'm going to take that brown color from the eyeshadow palette and I'm going to apply it onto my outer V of my eyes and little bit also along the crease line, just to blend that color with the purple eyeshadow that I have applied earlier. I'm also going to apply that brown eyeshadow onto my lower lash line and blend it with the purple eyeshadow so that both the colors look well blended, and I'm again going with a blending brush. Next I'm going to take that purple eyeshadow and I'm going to blend all the eyeshadows together. This just makes the whole eyeshadow look much more seamless and blended. Next I'm going to take that reflective gold eyeshadow from the eyeshadow palette and I'm going to mainly concentrate it onto the center of my eyelid area, and whatever is remaining on the brush I'm going to apply it onto the remaining eyelid area. This eyeshadow does have a little bit of fallout, so be very careful when you are applying this reflective gold eyeshadow, but it looks very pretty onto the eyelid area and this is a very good color for the Indian skin tones. Next I'm going to apply that dark matte brown eyeshadow from the MAC Burgundy ×9 palette and I'm going to apply it onto my lower lash line and I'm going to blend it. Next I've taken the concealer from Colorbar and I'm going to apply it onto the areas where I want to highlight, and I'm also going to blend it with my concealer brush. This makes my under eye area look a lot more brighter than before. This is a thick concealer but it works well for me. And next I've taken the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara and I've applied it onto my upper and lower eyelashes, and this just makes my eyes look more wide open when I apply the mascara onto my upper as well as the lower eyelashes. Next I've taken the NYX matte bronzer and I've used that bronzer to slightly contour my face, and this is a good bronzer for my skin tone. It works pretty well with my skin tone and I love the way it looks on my face. I'm also going to use that bronzer to slightly contour my nose. Next I'm going to use this blush from the brand Colorbar and I really love this blush a lot. I think this blush will complement the Dusky Beauties a lot, and this blush actually ties up the whole look together. I'm not going with a very heavy hand with this blush, just a light wash of this blush onto the apples of my cheeks. And then I've used the highlighter from the Wet n Wild. I think this is the Precious Petals one, and I love this highlighter because this is a very good highlighter in budget. I've used this highlighter to apply onto the high points of my face, and I've also used it onto the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm going to blend that using a brush. I like this highlighter a lot because it just gives the perfect highlight. Next I'm going to take that goldening eyeshadow from the Colorbar eyeshadow palette and I'm going to apply it on top of that Wet n Wild highlighter just to intensify my inner corner highlight a little bit more. Next, I'm going to take the lipstick from the brand Maybelline. This is in the shade Thriller Nude, and I think this is a beautiful nude color which is complementing the eye look perfectly. And I'm also going to apply a nude color lipstick on top of this lipstick to make it slightly more nude than the current shade. And this is a Nykaa So Matte Mini lipstick. I don't remember the shade exactly. I'm going to list it in the description box below. And I'm going to apply it on top of the Maybelline lipstick, and that is the finished look that I have come up with. This is the look where I have not applied the false eyelashes, but I really love how this look turned out. Here I've applied the false eyelashes from the brand Pack, and after applying the false eyelashes I think I need to define my lower lash a little bit more with the dark brown eyeshadow from the MAC Burgundy x9 palette, and I have just applied the eyeshadow onto my lower lash line for a little bit more definition. And that is the finished look that I have come up with, and I hope you enjoyed watching this Deepika Padukone inspired makeup look. And this is not the exact replica, but I tried to create a look similar to hers. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.